Hello to another Rhulani Insights in the backyards of Rhulani, and maybe you see not only Tom next to me.
Say good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Also our solar plant that since how long do we have solar at Rhulani? Do you remember?
2023, I want to say.
2023, quite a few years already. But the thing that we would like to show you now, given that we constantly want to get more independent and reduce diesel of generator and all this, we have recently extended an expansion of that system.
Correct, yeah.
And one part of the expansion is on top of us, right? It's a carport, right?
Yeah.
So tell us a bit about that.
No, so the gentleman came and we were looking for a space to put all of the panels, and we decided on why not repurpose the carport, change it all out, put up the panels there so they catch sun fully throughout the day, and then also it makes for a beautiful parking space where we can still park some of the staff cars to ensure that we have more than enough parking to keep the guest cars under roof, under cover, under shade, so that they're all perfect and ready. But
yeah, and it's not a flat roof, it's like the other panels, it's that east-west orientation.
Correct.
Right?
Yes, to ensure that it catches sun as the sun rises, also all the way till the sun sets, facing north.
So by the additional panels, we will have more energy produced during the day when the sun shines, which means that we should receive more excess energy to load the batteries during the night. So at the end, the night should also be easier for us then to manage, right?
Correct.
So, did I summarize correctly?
Summarized correctly. Yeah. The ultimate goal is to not have the generator run at all.
So the additional panels is not the only thing that was done. Actually, more important and also more expensive was the other part that we have here. May I just ask you to go in after you?
Thank you very much.
The cameraman can also go in first. So that is now our bigger and expanded so-called battery room.
Correct.
So we have more space here. Oh, that's very cool. Look, 16 degrees. Why do we have to maintain that room so cold?
So we need to ensure that the battery room stays at an optimum temperature for all of the batteries to stay in zone, and that the inverters do not overheat due to batteries being too hot. So a nice constant 16 degrees, and we know the batteries stay perfectly in line.
So the expansion was the batteries, right? So this one is one of the batteries. We had 4, and now we have a 5th one, right?
That is correct, Rolf.
So 25% more capacity compared to what we had.
That is correct, yes.
Did you already see that we have an improvement now since we have started to use the new system?
Throughout the evenings, you can say on a perfect day where it charges the batteries full, yes, you can say I can definitely see the generator switches on quite a bit later in the evenings now. Generally where it would start at around 11, maybe now it carries us through till about 2, 2:30 in the mornings.
Okay. Good, then the blue things that we have on the wall, what is that?
So these are all the new inverters that we have in line. So we've got red phase, white phase, and then blue phase behind us.
Let's go around because, so you see the whole room is very big. That was the old one, and so we expanded the battery room and made it double size.
That is correct, yes.
So, but I was interrupting you, right? So,
so this is just going to allow that the load gets spread a lot more evenly throughout the whole lodge to avoid any surges and to ensure that we have enough sufficient space for growth as well in the future, should we wish to expand Rhulani a bit.
Yeah. All right, last thing, if you come a bit closer, let's make the test where we stand. Currently, the sun is shining. The production of the sun is very high. And with the batteries are loaded 62% currently, so we have that under control.
Yeah,
right?
So far so good.
All right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Then let's end the blog here. That was about the expansion of our solar plant.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, and
Thank you
goodbye.
so much. Goodbye, everyone.